Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my video. My name is Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design a very cool travel assistant chatbot using LandBot. So LandBot is a tool that you can utilize to build chatbot. It's very easy to use, very user-friendly platform, guys. As you can see here on the left side, we have a drag and drop feature, so you can easily drag this to this editing page. All right, so let's begin. Actually, I've already built this. All right, I'm going to show you the logic from the beginning. So the first one here, I created welcome message, right? So we're just welcoming the user of the chatbot. So yeah, hi there, I'm helpful bot. That's like the name of our travel assistant chatbot. Okay, so then we're going to ask the name of the user. So we're going to require the user to enter their name, and after that we're also going to ask their traveling budget in US dollars, right? So as you guys can see here, we're giving three options. So like below $2,000, between $2,000 to $3,000, or above $3,000. And based on the answer, for example, if the answer is $2,000, then the user will be redirected to here, right? So we're going to give like three options for the vacation destinations if the budget is under $2,000. So we have Bangkok, we have Hanoi, we have Manila. And if the budget is between $2,000 to $3,000, then we're going to give these three options: Dubai, Zagreb, or Turin. And if the budget is above $3,000, then we're going to provide these three options: Calgary, Boston, or Manchester, right? Okay, so whatever vacation destinations that the user picked, the user is going to be redirected to this sections where he or she is going to enter the date. Okay, so the vacation date, and then once the date has been filled, he or she is going to be redirected to this button, right? Actually, we're going to ask them like which airlines that you want to use. So we have like a couple of different options here: Fly Emirates, American Airlines, British Airways, Etihad, Qatar Airways, and Thai Airways. And after picking one of them, they will be redirected to here. So we're going to ask like what class, right? Economy class, business class, or first class. Then the user will be redirected here. So they're going to need to enter their email address here and also their phone number. And once they enter the email, they're going to get like the confirmations for their booking. And finally, we're done. This is like the thank you message, right? So yeah, if you're kind of curious and if you're interested to try this, very easy. Just click on test this bot. All right, so I've clicked this. Okay, usually it doesn't take too long to load. Usually it only takes like a couple of seconds, right? Depending on your internet connection stability. Okay, so very cool. So you can also like change the view if you want to see it from desktop perspective. Then you can click on this. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this. Hey, what is your name? So my name is Chris. I'm just going to type in Chris, right? Enter your traveling budget in USD. Okay, so I'm not really rich to be honest, so my budget is between $2,000 to $3,000, right? Okay, very cool. Choose an option. So since our budget is between $2,000 to $3,000, so we got like three different options: Dubai, Zagreb, or Turin. Well, actually, I'm interested to go to Dubai, so I'm just gonna go with the first options. Okay, so like our date, so I'm gonna go to Dubai maybe next week. So I'm going to pick yeah, July 28th, just for a random date, like very random pick. Okay, so choose an option. Since we are going to Dubai, so obviously we need to go with Fly Emirates. Okay, so choose an options. I'm not really rich once again, so I'm just gonna go with the economy class options here. Okay, so please enter your email. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in my email here, right? So I'm going to get a confirmations of my booking. Okay, very cool. And I'm also going to type in my font. I'm just going to type in like a very random phone number here. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoy your vacations. Very cool. So that's the chatbot that you can build using this platform, guys. Very cool, right? And there's a good news here. So click on share. All right, so the good news here is actually I'm able to share this template to you. I can share this travel assistant chatbot template to you, and you can do whatever you want with this chatbot template. You can add some modifications, you can add some adjustments, you can use it for your own websites, you can use it for your own platform, or maybe you want to customize it and then sell it to your clients and make money off this chatbot template, sell this as your own product. It's totally up to you guys. So yeah, so let's go to this website. So I'm selling you this bundle, right? So this bundle is consisted of several different things. So we have 3 AI chatbot templates that you can resell as your own product. We also have like 12 tutorial videos for building AI chatbots. So I'm going to like guide you step by step on how to build, how to design a very cool AI chatbot using platforms like Landbot, ManyChat, WordPress, Bot Penguin. We also have like ebook. All right, so like 1 ebook guide, 2 promotional email copies. So you might want to sell these chatbot templates to your clients. So we also have like the ad copies for your clients to get more sales. We also have like 1 presentation guide and 3 chatbot conversations flows that you can use as examples of building chatbot. And you can get all of this for just $25, guys. All right, so normally the price is like $100, but right now I'm running promotions, so now it only costs you like $25. So take actions, guys. Take actions now, because the promotion is going to be ended soon. So make sure that you take actions and don't waste this opportunity. All right, so I hope you like it.